Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be making hot chocolate bombs or hot cocoa bombs, so please stick around and watch this video. Happy holidays. Make these chocolate bombs, you're gonna need marshmallows, mini marshmallows, so that they can fit into the bombs. You're gonna need hot cocoa mix or cocoa powder, and we have some semi-sweet chocolate. I'm using the Hershey's brand, and I'm gonna use about half cup. And you need a mold or something that you can take out the chocolate when it's cooled easily. Time to melt the chocolate. You're gonna have a heat-proof dish. You wanna have a heat-proof dish over some boiling water, and just gonna leave this to melt for about 10 minutes or 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. About 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate. Nice and melted. Now I'm gonna add this to my mold. You want to ensure that the rim get enough coating. At the top part has enough coating, because that part will break easily. And you're just coating this well. Now that this is nicely coated, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop this into the fridge until it's warmed up for about 5 minutes. All this set up nicely, and now you just want to remove them from the silicone. I'm gonna add some hot cocoa powder inside. And I'm gonna add some marshmallow. About this amount, maybe 4. I'm gonna remove the next bomb, and I'm just gonna smooth down the edge onto a hot plate like this. And I'm going to connect it on top of the chocolate. Nice and easy. You're just gonna seal this around like this with your hands. And I'm gonna continue the process for the rest of the chocolate. So I'm just gonna take these out. Smooth on the edge. Smooth on the edge of the chocolate. Add the cocoa powder mix or the chocolate mix. Add the marshmallows. And now I'm gonna seal the top off. You just want to use your finger and seal the top like this. Seal, seal, seal. And now I'm gonna put them into my cupcake holder. And now we're gonna decorate. Now I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some white chocolate on top, white melted chocolate on top. Just like this. Ooh, this is looking good. Ooh. And there you have it, guys, my hot cocoa bomb or my hot chocolate bomb. Two beautiful hot chocolate bomb, and I'm just gonna add one into my cup and pour a glass of hot milk. You're gonna see how incredible this look. See, melt instantly. Thanks for watching, guys. If you reached this far into the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. It's free, guys. Go ahead and click that red subscribe button and leave me a comment down below and how you like your hot chocolate. Bye, guys. See you in my next one. These delicious cocoa bombs. Look at them.